guys, I have a Hello Kitty new tumbler. So I open this up. This thing is Hello Kitty. Look at this. This is Hello Kitty. And this is the water. So, like put it in here like this. And then this one is all water. Bala. You have a circle and then just like a jelly there or not jelly. Not jelly. I don't think so. Let's close up this. Okay, close it up. Put it there. Close it up a little bit. And then let's see if they works. You like to turn around and turn around. There's some water pushing. I don't know. Is this a water? Looks like. Let's see. Open this. It's not working. Oh, wait. This one is kind of weird because this one is on here. Let's see. They work. Hello Kitty's book with the bow like here, and then some nose, yellow nose, and then black eyes, and then some sides on hand cheeks. It looks like Hello Kitty. Look, the ear, and then another ear, and then the Hello Kitty's new dress is beautiful. There's flowers. Look at the feet. So pretty in white. And look at her face. And then her back. There's some bubble like here. A tail. Does it look like a tail? Hello Kitty's legs is so beautiful. And then like a scale. Okay. cute. And then there's a pink. Like Hello Kitty is like this. And then we put up this one, and then we put some water first. Putting up this. Thank you, Mommy, for this water dispenser, Hello Kitty. See you next time. Bye-bye.